Welcome to Math Simplified. This video is for 10th standard students. Please subscribe and share with your friends also. We are studying the first chapter, Relations and Functions. We studied about Cartesian products and relations in the previous videos. Today we are going to study about functions. Definition. A relation f between two non-empty sets x and y is called a function from x to y if for each x belonging to set x, there exists only one y belonging to set y such that the ordered pair xy belongs to f. F is equal to set of all ordered pairs xy for all x belonging to x and y belonging to y. Y is called the image of x under f. So here is the example. X is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Y is equal to set of natural numbers. F is given here, ordered pairs. So here we can see that all the elements of x has a unique element in y, and this is how it is given: 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 8. So x is called the domain, y is called the codomain, and this set of images, these are the images of x. So 2, 4, 6 and 8, this will form the range. So here, so in simple words, what we can say is a relation can be called a function if each element of set x has only one corresponding element in set y. So every element of set x should have a corresponding element in y, and that can be only one element. We can easily understand this through these arrow diagrams that I have drawn. So here these two arrow diagrams are functions, these are not functions. Here let us see why they are called functions. First of all the elements of this set x has got a corresponding unique correspondence with set y. So this is a function. Here also all the elements has a correspondence. Though two elements have the same image, it does not matter. Still it is a function. Here this is not a function because see 4 does not have a corresponding element. This is also not a function because 1 is corresponding to 2 elements here. So this is not a function. Let us go to exercise 1.3. Question 1. Let f is equal to xy belongs to n and y is equal to 2x be a relation on n. Find the domain, codomain and range is this function relation of function. So x is a natural number set 1, 2, 3 dot dot, y is also belonging to natural numbers 1, 2, 3 dot dot. The function is defined by y is equal to 2x. So let us take x as 1. So 2 into 1 is 2. So that is the first ordered pair. The second one, put the value of x is equal to 2 here. You will get y is equal to 4. You can write the second ordered pair. Put the value of 3 here. You will get y is equal to 6. So 3 and 6. Similarly 4 and 8. So this is the function. Okay. Now what is the domain? Domain is this set, codomain is the set y, and range is the set of all images 2, 4, 6, 8 dot dot will be the range. Is this a function? Yes, it is a function. Why? First let us check the first condition. Every element of x should have a corresponding element in y. So yes, we can put any element in this formula and you will get a corresponding element. And second condition, it should be unique. That means it should have only one corresponding element, and you realize that all these are unique correspondence. So this is a this relation is a function. Question 2. Let x is equal to 3, 4, 6, 8. Determine whether the relation x comma fx where x belongs to x and fx is equal to x square plus 1 is a function from x to n. So first is the set x, write down the set x, and n is the set of natural numbers. And what is the function? Fx is equal to x square plus 1. Okay, so now let us look at this set x. There are 4 elements in it. Let us put the first element. So 3 square plus 1 is 9 plus 1 10. Put f4. 4 square plus 1 is 16 plus 1 17. Similarly f6 is 37. f8 is 65. So all these elements of x has an unique element in y, and all these numbers belong to the set of natural numbers 10, 17, 37, 65. So this is a relation, and it is a function from x to n as every element of x. We took all the elements and found out its images. Okay, and the set of all these images is the range. Okay, and the domain is 3, 4, 6, 8, and codomain is the set of natural numbers. Question 3. Given the function f x to x square minus 5x plus 6, evaluate. So these are different ways to write a function. So just have to evaluate. First is f of minus 1. What does this mean? F of minus 1. All the x values will take this minus 1 value. So put x is equal to minus 1. Evaluate this function. You will get the answer. The value of the function at minus 1 is 12. Or you can say 12 is the image of minus 1. Okay, what is the value of the function at 2a? Again put the value 2a here and solve it. You will get 4a square minus 10a plus 6. So this is the value of the function at 2a. What is the value of this function at 2? Put the value of 2, evaluate it, it is 0. Okay, so we can, in other words, we can say 0 is the image of 2 under f. F of x minus 1, again put the value of x minus 1 in this formula. X minus 1 whole square minus 5 into x minus 1 plus 6. Open this bracket, this will become x square minus 2x plus 1. Open this bracket, minus 5x, minus into minus plus 5 plus 6. Evaluate this, you will get this answer. Question number 4. A graph representing fx is given. In it is clear that f9 is equal to 2. Find the following values of the function. So, okay, so this is the graph. These will be the x values and this is fx value. Okay, if the value of x is 9, the value of fx will be 2. We can see that. That is already given. Now they are asking us to find, first one is f0. That means the value of x is 0. At that time, what is the value of fx? Here we can see it is 9. So when x is equal to 7, so here it's x, so draw a line here. What is the value of fx? It is 6. Okay, when f2, that means x is equal to 2. So here 2. Draw a line here, and this is the point. So that is 6. And f10, so where is 10? Here it is. The value of fx is 0. Okay. For what value of x is fx1? So again the same. For what value of x, fx is 1. So here is 1. Fx they have given. So here is the point. If you draw a line, it will be 9.5. Okay. Describe the following: domain and range. So what is the domain? Domain is the x values. So this will be 0 to 10 and range will be 0 to 9. See, domain is 0 to 10, range is 0 to 9. You can even write it in this form. Okay. What is the image of 6 under f? So image of 6. So 6 is here. Draw a line like this and the image is 5. Fx value is the image. So the image of 6 under f is 5. Question 5. Let fx is equal to 2x plus 5. If fx is not equal to 0, then find this value. Again, these type of sums are very simple. Just you have to substitute the values. So fx is this. Now you need f2. So put value of x is equal to 2, evaluate, you will get 9. You need fx plus 2. So fx plus 2. Put the value of x as x plus 2 in this equation. Put here x plus 2. So x into x plus 2 plus 5, evaluate, you will get this. That's all. Now you take this expression Substitute these values which you found, 2x plus 9 minus 9 upon x. So this will get cancelled, 2x upon x is equal to 2 is the answer. Question 6. A function is defined by fx is equal to 2x minus 3. Find this. Okay. So the value fx is this. Okay. So what is f0? Put x is equal to 0. You will get minus 3. f1 is put value of x1 here. You will get minus 1. Now substitute f0 and f1 here in this expression. So minus 3 minus 1 upon 2, that is equal to minus 2. Okay, next question, find x such that fx is equal to 0. So fx is now become 0. So here you should put this expression is equal to 0. Evaluate it, x is equal to 3 upon 2. Okay. Okay, next one, find x such that fx is equal to x. Now this value will become is equal to x. Put fx is equal to x. So fx we know is 2x minus 3 is equal to x, and then you solve it, you will get x is equal to 3. Okay, fourth sum, find x such that fx is equal to f1 minus x. Okay, this is fx is equal to f1 minus x. So you know this is fx, and then f1 minus x means in place of x you should write 1 minus x. So 2 into 1 minus x minus 3. So these both are equal. Open the bracket and solve it. You will get x is equal to 1 upon 2. Question 7. An open box is to be made from a square piece of material 24 cm on a side by cutting equal squares from the corners and turning up the sides as shown. Express the volume of the box as a function of x. So here is a square piece of cardboard, and here we are going to cut this edges like this, the 4 squares here, and we'll turn up the sides to make a box. So you can see this length of this edge to be cut is x, and this total length is 24 centimeter. So this portion will be 24 minus 2x. See, x plus x, and I am subtracting it from the total length, that is 24. So 24 minus 2x is this length from here, this point to this point. So when we make a cardboard box, okay, this length will be 24 minus 2x, the length of the cardboard box. Even the breadth will be 24 minus 2x because it's a square. The height will be this distance. This is x. This is a distance x. So that will be the height. So height is x. Okay. Now you know the volume of a cuboid. Okay. It will be length into breadth into height. So this is the length, breadth and height. So you will get this. You open it, you will get this the 24 square minus 2 into 24 into 2x plus 2x whole square. This is how you will open this bracket into x. Again you multiply x throughout, so it will become 4x cube minus 96x square plus 576x. So the volume is Vx is equal to this expression. That is the answer. Question 8. A function f is defined by fx is equal to 3 minus 2x. Find x such that fx square is equal to fx the whole square. This is also very simple. First write down what is fx. Okay, write it down. Now write down what is fx square. We want fx square. So in place of x, put x square. So in this formula, it will become 3 minus 2 x square. Fine. Now next thing you want is fx the whole square. So this expression should be squared. So that's how you will get fx the whole square. So 3 minus 2 the whole square. So this, if you open the bracket, it will be 9 minus 12x plus 4x square. So now they are saying these two are equal. So this is equal to this. So write down this. Evaluate. I have evaluated for you. So that you will get answer is equal to 1. Please pause the video, go through these steps and you can practice it. You will get the answer. Question 9. A plane is flying at a speed of 500 km per hour. Express the distance distance d traveled by the plane as a function of time t in hours. So you know the formula, speed is equal to distance upon time. So distance is equal to speed into time. They are given the speed as 500 kilometers per hour. So put 500 here, the speed. So d is equal to 500 into t, or you can say d is equal to 500 t is the answer. Question 10. The data in the adjacent table depicts the length of a woman's forehand and her corresponding height. Based on this data, a student finds a relation between the height y and the forehand length x as y is equal to ax plus b, where a and b are constants. Check if this relation is a function, find a and b, find the height of the woman whose forehand is 40 cm. Okay, so this is the table. So this is the values of x. That is the length of the forehand, 35, 45, 50, 55. And the height, if a woman has 35 inches as her forehand, centimeter, if she has 35 centimeter as a forehand, the height will be 56. If the length of the forehand is 45 centimeter, the height will be 65 inches. So this is the relationship. Okay. So here, is it a function? Yes, it is a function, because every element has a unique image. So here we find that for all values of x, x has got a unique y. Okay. So this y is called the image of x. All the images are unique. So it is a function. Okay. Now, and the relation is given by y is equal to ax plus b. So they are asking you to find this a and b. So here these are two simultaneous equations. How did I get this? 56 is equal to 35a plus b. See here, y is equal to 56. 56 is equal to 35 into a plus b. Similarly, 65 is equal to 45a plus b. So these two equations I got. Now I am solving this. I am substituting this value of b. Okay, substitute 2. So b is equal to 65 minus 45a. I am going to put it in 1. So what do I get? 56 is equal to 35a plus 65 minus 45a. And if I solve it, I will get 10a is equal to 9, a is equal to 0.9. Similarly, you have to substitute this value of a in any one equation. I have taken the first one. You substitute the value of a here, solve it, you will get the value of b. So what is this formula? Y is equal to ax plus b. We found the values of a and b. It will be y is equal to 0.9x plus 24.5. Okay, so now we got this formula. Now they have given the value of x as 40 centimeter. They have asked you to find y. So put x is equal to 40 and solve it. You will get y is equal to 60.5 inches. Similarly, they have given you the value of y as 53.3 inches. They are asking you to find x. Put the values of y, solve it, you will get the value of x. So here we come to the end of the exercise. Please go through the video once again, pause the video in each sum and practice them.